First impressions on Zoom happen fast, like within seconds. Before you even speak, people are already noticing your eye contact, posture, lighting, camera angle, and energy. In virtual presentations, these details matter even more because your audience has more distractions than ever. One of the biggest mistakes people make on Zoom is treating it like a casual conversation instead of a professional presentation environment. Start with your camera setup. Make sure your camera is at eye level, not looking up or down at you. Good lighting and a clean background instantly makes you look more credible and prepared. Next, eye contact. Instead of looking at your screen the whole time, occasionally look directly into the camera. This creates the feeling of connection, even in a virtual setting. Your energy also needs to be slightly higher on Zoom. Why? Because screens naturally reduce perceived energy and engagement. Using facial expressions, clear vocal delivery, and intentional body language helps maintain audience focus and connection. And finally, start strong. Just like in-person presentations, your opening sets the tone for the entire presentation. When you show up confident, clear, and engaging from the start, your audience is far more likely to stay present and attentive. If you want to master virtual presence and make stronger impressions on Zoom calls and in presentations, schedule a talk to the trainer and we'll help you sharpen your virtual communication skills.